Hi guys, now in this video we're talking about a stock manager advance, with point of sales module. This is a powerful web-based, inventory and sales management system. It's a complete business tool that lets you track stock, manage sales, even generate invoice with taxes and discounts. And you can use it to, handle multiple warehouses and, process sales easily. And using a built-in point of sales module, all in one. This is all in one dashboard, all in one device. Yeah, obviously with internet access. Now, this is just a demo walkthrough to show you what the system looks like. Now, for help with full installation or customization, contact me via the details on the screen, and I will help you set it up for an affordable fee, and it's ready for 8 hours. Now, let's get started with the demo. Now, this is like I said, this is the dashboard, point of sales. That's the POS option where you can sell. People can buy directly. If you have a store, you can buy directly. Let me open this. You can see it. So now this is it. What's it called? This is a landing page where I can have your product. So when they add to carts, automatically they can pay. You get it recorded here. Check your report. Check sales you've made. You can see sales, purchase, payments, other purchase expenses. You can see all of that in one dashboard. So all of this will be customized. Not to worry, not to worry, to be customized, and all your products will also be uploaded, and it will display here on the front end side. So now, like I said, it's a stock management system that enables you to manage sales, generate invoice, track sales, track store discounts. If you have so many warehouses, you can add all your products here, this other products here. You can also transfer. You can start a stock count, like knowing how many stocks are available, the brands that you get the stocks from, categories that the stock will be set. You can also put all of those stocks in units, obviously. So if you have promotions going on, you can set a discount on every stock. Maybe you get 10% discount on this, 10, 5% discount on this. You can set all of that. Yeah, people that will be using roles, people that will be using the back end, you can also assign. You are the super admin, you can assign roles for people to use them. The shop home that I mentioned, this is home, the shop home. You can set up your products, etc. And that's the documentation that guides you a lot. Now this is the dashboard, and also purchase, sales, payment. So the sales is on the blue, the purchase is on green, the payment is on yellow, the expenses on red. So if you want this, like I said, contact me via this on the screen, and I will get it up for you for an affordable fee, and it's ready for 8 hours. We also have multilingual in the sense that you can switch to Arabic, you can switch to Spanish, you can switch to English. You can switch the language. It has multilingual option, so you don't have to panic on that. So now, yeah, so that's all. So I'll see you in my next video. Let me know if you have any questions to this, and if you need this, contact me on the screen, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye.